Hey, what's up YouTube? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to switch out your light bulbs. See how these are yellowish. We're gonna try to be installing only about a good $70 at all the time. Okay, so we're gonna start the removal process by removing these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 screws you need to remove, and you also need to loosen this. Not all, you don't have to remove it all the way, but just enough for you to wiggle it out, you know. Okay, now that you have removed all 6 screws from the inner box, little latches that are down there, I don't know whether you can see them very clearly. So these latches right there. So you're gonna have to tilt this up a bit and slide right off. I want to slide this air hose. I want to slide this off a bit. It's just a bit too tight. I had to use 2 hands for this on. Just wiggle this part out and it'll slip right off. This you could just lift it up. So you can just let's just head back with some rubber grommets. So you just lift this up. It should just pop right off. How about these rubber grommets? Okay. You have direct access for this housing. Turn this counterclockwise. And it should come right off like that. Pop it off. And then we're gonna have to remove this bulb. Same thing, counterclockwise. As soon as you hear that click, wiggle it out. Get out of the housing. I do recommend you wear rubber gloves, since your oily fingers won't touch the actual bulb and wear it out easier. So we will add our gloves just like this. It's easy as that. This clip, you just lift it up, you pull it out. I mean, it still looks good, but you want that new LED look. Make sure it's the same connection. Make sure it clicks. Put a nice little tug, and we're gonna put it right back in the same way. Gotta be careful with the, try to have a little glimpse in there, see how it goes. Boom. Once you get that little lock, it has these indentions that you just, once you put it in, turn clockwise. This is locked in, a little tug, and now we can actually put this back. This has these dentures that look at the housing, so you actually see. Turn it clockwise. It should be fully in there. Make sure it's tight so no water, debris gets in there. Make it a little snug. Make sure it doesn't pop off. It should be inserted very well. That's good. Let's come on to the other side. The other one should be hidden by beside the battery. Should be this one right here. Same thing, same step size you did from the other side. This one you won't have to remove anything because you have enough space to get down there. Counterclockwise. It should come just right off. But it should come right off. It pops right off. And put these to the side if you want to keep them. So now we get the last one. 9005. 9005. A little nice tug, make sure everything's in there correctly. We're gonna go over and check it out. Make sure it's on. Boom. It's more brighter than they were. Look, it's kind of similar to the LEDs. Very close. Very tell the difference. And I'm actually gonna start posting more about Malibu. So yeah, if you guys do want to know how I did these cosmetic changes, please let me know in the comments. Look how clean that is. I do plan on putting some tint on these tail lights. Look how clean it comes up. Also the tint on the windows, 5%. Tint this as well. you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to like and subscribe. If you do have any questions, be sure to comment on any of these products that I did, and I will be gladly to help you with this video. And you guys stay safe out there and have a good one. Thanks.